Electroscope. An electroscope is an instrument used for detecting the presence and the sign of electric charge on a body. One such arrangement is called a gold leaf electroscope. It is used to detect whether a body has charge or not. The type of charge, that is, positive or negative. Construction. An electroscope consists of a metal rod with a metal ball on the top and two very light metal foils, usually gold, attached to the bottom. The arrangement is enclosed in a glass enclosure and is protected from it with the help of a rubber cork.